Amaka, I need to talk to you about something.
What is it, dear?
Do you know that you can now make AI videos on YouTube to build your Faceless channel, your Faceless YouTube channel? And you can actually do that for free without any charge, in spite of the fact that we still have some app and some software that will not allow you to use that same thing for free. Now, don't let anybody deceive you, because AI has actually come to stay, and the earlier you start using it, the better for you, because if you don't jump on the train now, you will regret it in the nearest future, because many people might have actually, in short, many people have actually used it to make a lot of millions right now. And what are you waiting for? You should jump on this train before it has already left the station. Hey, I'm Enigidefe, and this is my YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we teach people how to upload videos on YouTube the right way, and how to use some YouTube tools the right way. And in today's video, we're going to be teaching you how you can actually use AI for free on YouTube, and also upload these same videos on YouTube without your account being demonetized. You see, there is a way you upload AI videos on YouTube and your account at the end of the day might be demonetized, and there is a way you can actually upload it the right way. So I'm going to be showing you how you can upload it the right way. Meanwhile, I will also show you how you can also create these AI videos, because the whole process starts from the creation, and how you can create these AI videos for free. So two things I'm going to be showing you: how to use a paid software to create AI videos, and how you can create AI videos for free using some other software. Stick around as I show you step by step on how you can create your AI videos. So now you might want to ask, why do I need you to teach me how to create my AI videos after I've already bought the app? Buying the app or buying the usage of any AI app does not guarantee you success in how to use it to create animated videos for YouTube purposes. What you will notice most of the time is that many people story sounds similar, and they also look similar, and you don't want your YouTube channel at the end of the day to be looking at another person's YouTube channel. You don't want your story to be looking at another person's story. Now you want your story to be unique, and that is what makes you a storyteller. Your ability to be able to make your story unique, different from every other person. And that is what I'm going to be teaching you, because if you look at it, there are stories everywhere, but many people fail to see it. Many people fail to understand that we have stories everywhere. Whether you are going to be using the free version or you are going to be using the paid version, if you don't want so many stress, just use the paid version. But if you can go through the rigorous stress of having to go through all the process, cut corners and all of that, fine, you are going to use the free version. Everything will be in this video, and just stick around. You are going to learn a lot. But I can assure you, there is something that will make you feel unique, something that will make you feel different, something that will actually stand you out, is the fact that you have the ability to create your own original story. Do you know that your story can carry a lot of power? Now, what is this power about? The power of your own story is the fact that it is unique. If it is not unique, people might not be interested to follow your story if it is the same thing they have been seeing online and everywhere. But if you can make your own story unique, your own folktales unique, your own everyday living is unique, and the words that you use are also unique, see, people will follow you. And you see, YouTube is created and promotes uniqueness in people's story, because it is that uniqueness that makes you a creative. It is that uniqueness that makes you a director. So you as a creator, you are actually a director, because it's the same thing. You see, a director of a movie, for example, we need the cameraman to hold the camera, then we need the photographer, they will need the actor, they will need the script writer. You see, all of these things, you are the one doing it together. Only that instead of gathering all the actor, the scriptwriter, the videographer, the editor and everything, you just gather everything in one app, which is your AI tool. And not only, it might not actually be one app, but you have everything at your disposal. Your character, your videographer, your editor, and everything. You have everything together at your disposal. Now, you are now the director of that particular story. You see, AI has made it possible for all of us, just everybody, to be able to become a movie director. And that is the interesting thing about it. So I'm going to be teaching you in the next phase. Okay, I know you might have actually seen some videos online talking about the fact that they want to teach you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel and how they can turn you with their free class into a faceless YouTuber. See, don't be deceived. Most of those guys have even clicked some of those links, and at the end of the day, they told us how degenerated your life is, how that you need to make money from all of those things. You see, they will say a lot of things, but at the end of the day, they will tell you to either come and register for their class with a paid money, or they will want to sell one or two of their materials that they've already prepared. And that is the end of the game, because you don't expect somebody to do adverts with his own money and not sell a material. That is not possible. But here in this class, I'm going to just be teaching you for free. And if you are willing to follow it step by step as I'm going to be showing you, you will get it right. In this session, I'm going to be talking about how to create your own story. How do you create your own story? See, God actually make man complete. You see, when you look at yourself, how many of you find it difficult to blink? You see, I'm blinking my eyes. How many of you find it difficult to blink? How many of you find it difficult to raise your hand? I just raised my hand. How many of you find it difficult to clap? I just clapped. How many of you find it difficult to move your head? I'm just moving my head. You see, same thing for everybody. And if you find any of these things difficult, it means that there is a problem somewhere. It's either you meet the physician, or you meet your doctor, or you meet your pastor to pray for you. You see, that is the reason why you will say somebody now needs healing, because he is not functioning properly. And that is the same way everybody, God has made us to have our own story. That is why there is uniqueness to life. Now, for everywhere you are going, there is story everywhere. You are going to the office, you meet somebody inside the bus. Maybe the person is talking about something that about his life, just complaining and all that. That is a story. Maybe as you are coming inside the bus, you hear the bus driver playing something in the radio, and in the radio they are talking about somebody that killed his wife and his husband. Many people might not pay attention to it, but you as a storyteller, you pay attention to it. Maybe the boss, the man did not give you your change, and you have to slap the, many things happen in our lives. You see, that is another story. So you, in your own life, have a lot of story. Like at this age, some persons have lost their parents. At this my age, some persons have lost their parents. That person has a story to tell. How is the person surviving? You see, that's a lot of story. Why some persons, their parents will grow old, very old, before anything will happen. Are you getting my point? So everybody has a lot of stories. Some persons have given birth at this age, some have not given birth. So why have you not given birth? You have a story to tell. So to create a story, to create uniqueness into your story, just tell the story that appeals to you in your environment. I'm going to be showing you what motivated the story. I mean, it's just what you are going through. And believe me, you will see that many millions of people are going through almost the same thing. And you will just be perplexed, not knowing that every other person are going through the same thing. At the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the motivation behind the AI video that I'm going to be using for this training. And you will see that it's just normal everyday happenings, and things that just happen to people are what they use as story. So you have your own unique story. Tell your own unique story instead of looking for somebody else's story. You're not going to cut it out, it's adding their script and all of that, just so that people can start viewing. No, create your own unique story, and that is what will make YouTube not to demonetize your account when they actually find out that you are copying another person's story. So if you copy, they will demonetize your account. But if you don't copy, knowing fully well that after you have seen this video, after you have watched this video to the end, you will see that you have your own unique story. So I told you about the fact that you can either use a paid app or you can use the one that is not paid. Now I'm going to be talking about the paid app first, and in this it means that you first of all need to generate your scripts before you go ahead to generate the picture, and from there generate the video. I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate the script and use Grok to also generate the video. So just follow me as I do this. Now don't forget that you can actually, what is most important actually is the fact that you create your own unique video and unique story. Now follow me, let me show you how I do this. In this video, I'm just going to be telling the story of a pregnant woman and his husband sitting in the parlor and talking about how the husband complaining about how the fact that the wife has not been doing anything there because of the heavy pregnancy, 7 to 8 month pregnant. So I'm just going to be telling ChatGPT to write a story for me with 3 scenes, and it's going to just do that. So just follow me as I do it. So ChatGPT, write a story about an husband and his wife. The wife is pregnant, sitting in a parlor with the glass window showing that rain is falling outside, and create a 3 scene video that contain a man and a woman. The man name is Chidi, the woman's name is Amaka. So create a 3 scene story to show this. At the end of the day, they settle and have an understanding. So create it and give me an outcome. Thank you. You can see now that's created. You see scene one, the complainants. I talked about them complaining about the fact that the woman is not doing anything there. So if you see it, a cozy living room, a large glass window overlooks the street, rain falls gently outside, creating a soothing sound. Evening light fills the room. Amaka sits carefully. This looks like what I actually described for the ChatGPT, right? So, as you can see, the script has been created. So, the end, you see that they both laughed as the camera slowly moves towards the glass window. Outside, the rain stops and the evening sky begins to clear. So, fade out. So you can see that it has created a full story for me. Now I'm just going to carry this story. I'm going to copy it and go to your notepad on your phone. Then you paste it here. The reason why you're pasting it here is so that you can make use of it the way you want. So that is why we are pasting it here. As you can see that I've pasted it here. So you see the same thing, the complaint. So you just copy and paste now. So now we'll move straight to how you can use this to generate images. Now you can also tell your ChatGPT, because it is image before you will generate video that will now be talking. So AI is very intelligent these days. You will be shocked at the outcome later. You'll be shocked. Now let's go to ChatGPT. I will also use ChatGPT to generate the image. Now I will just tell ChatGPT, generate image, generate an image from this scene. So I'm going to tell it now. Generate an image from this scene, from this story with this 3 scene. Generate image that properly fits it and ensure that the image have different angle that is shooting from. So it's generating it. So you see my different angle for each of the scenes. Our image is ready. You can see it. You see white shots of the room. The woman is pregnant. You can see medium shot on the woman. You can see just almost looking like a director directing a movie. This white shot showing the full table and all. See medium shot on the woman. You see close-up shots on man. You also see close-up shots on the two of them. So many shots. All you just have to do, save the image. When you save the image, I will go back. That is what I normally do. I'll save the image. Now I will go back to my gallery. So what I will just do is I will just crop out that part, the part I want to use for the video. I will crop it out. So once I crop it out, I will go to ChatGPT again. Normally I usually go to ChatGPT, but because of this video, I go to ChatGPT to ensure that ChatGPT give me a clearer version of. I'll just carry that image and open my Grok. Now this is a paid app. Before, Grok was free, allowing you to do 6 seconds video, but now with that 6 seconds video you have to pay at least 15k for it to be in a month, for you to be able to use that 6 seconds video. So if you don't have Grok, you can download it and open it. Go to Imagine. This Imagine, you see axe on top, you see Imagine, then click Imagine because you want to create a video. You will see all of these features, so you just ignore them. Come down, click this thing that look like plus icon, put it on video, then you click it, you will open your video, the picture you want to use, put the picture, then it will ask you to type what you want to use, your description for the video, what you want the video to be saying. So you will come back to your, that is why I asked you to put it on your notes. You come back to your notes. Then important thing, you have to change this Chidi to man, because your AI will not know which one is the man and which one is the woman. So you have to indicate that Chidi is the man and Amaka is the woman. So I'll copy the Chidi man, sign as he sits down. Amaka, I need to talk to you about something. So that's what I want to project now. So I'll copy it and I will go to my Grok. I will paste it. Paste. So now we just, you see this icon showing arrow up. It's showing that arrow is facing up. That is what I will click. I'll click it. Then I will wait for it to generate. Now it is generating my video. See, you will be amazed at what the result will look like. You will be amazed. Trust me.
Amaka, I need to talk to you about something.
So what are you observing?
Amaka,
The
I need
movement
to talk to you about something.
and everything is very accurate, right? You download it, you go back, and you for the woman, you click copy again, you go back to your script, you copy it, then you do the same thing that you have done for that video, you do it to this one, and you paste it. You paste it, then you go again. This arrow that is facing up, you click it. Imagine I'm doing this thing on my phone. I'm using my phone to do this thing, so there's no excuse for you not to be able to use your phone to make money, to do a faceless YouTube channel and be making money from it. No excuse for you at all. People are making big money from this thing, so you can also do the same too. So our video is generating, it has
What is it,
generated.
dear?
I'm just worried about you and the baby.
So if you observe something, I did
is
not
it, dear?
prompt, I'm just worried
Just
about you and the
about
baby.
you and the baby.
I didn't prompt that. So that is the reason why you have to also edit
just
your
worried about
videos.
you
And I'm going to also show you in this video how you can do
What is
that.
it, dear?
I'm
So
just worried about
the AI
you
just
and the
overdo
baby.
itself because that what is it
What is
there?
it, dear?
I'm
She
just
can't say it
worried
in
about you
6
and the
seconds.
baby.
So it needed to add something
What
to
is it,
add
dear?
it. So I'll just download it, you go back, now you copy again. That is the same thing you are going to be doing till you have all your videos completed. Remember I said you have to put man to indicate that it's a man you want talking. So you copy it again, copy, then you go back,
What is it, dear?
you
Just worried
normally you
about
can
you
extend,
and the baby.
but
What is
right
it,
now
dear?
this subscription doesn't allow for
Just
extension.
worried about you and the baby.
So you go back, you paste, you carry the picture you want to use again. Notice I'm using only one picture. You can change the picture. You have different pictures, so you can change the pictures. Let's observe again. Now let's see what it will create.
Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do everything in this house alone. I cook, clean, wash dishes, and even do the shopping. Sometimes I come back from that. Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do everything in this house alone.
So
I
you
cook,
can
clean,
see
wash dishes, and even do
that
the shopping. Sometimes I come back
everything you
Ever
have
since your pregnancy
posted
became serious, it feels like I do everything in this
is
house alone. I cook,
real
clean,
and
wash
it's
dishes, and
bringing
do the
it
shopping.
out
Sometimes I come back from that.
real.
Ever since your pregnancy became serious,
So
it feels like I do everything in this house alone.
that's
I
just
cook,
it for you.
clean,
So you
wash dishes, and
download
even do
it.
the shopping. Sometimes I come back from that. Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do
You can
everything
see
in this
the way
house
the man
alone.
is
I cook,
complaining.
clean, wash dishes, and even
So the next thing is to open CapCut on your phone. Click on new video. I'm just going to click this three video. Remember that these three videos, they are just for example. They are not the only video I can create as many as I want to create. So you understand? So click on them, open it in CapCut. So you can see now that it's looking like it's not well arranged. So I will arrange them. You click on hold, then you take it to the proper place you want it to be.
I need to talk to you about something.
So you notice that
Dear?
I don't want that part. That part is not part of my script. So I don't want it. So I'm just going to just split it. Pick the part that I don't want. You split it. You see split here? Split. Then delete it. So once it's highlighted, you delete that part that you don't want.
Something.
What is it, dear?
Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do everything in this house alone. I cook, clean,
So you
wash
can
dishes, and do
see.
the shopping. Sometimes I come back.
You can see now that the video has have its own structure. And so that's how you are supposed to what? Edit your video.
I need to talk to you about something.
What is it, dear?
Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do everything in this house alone. I cook, clean, wash dishes, and even do the shopping.
So you can see how beautiful it is. And this is just a test. Or if I really want to do this video, I'm going to use from different angle. I mean, you to feel like you are watching a movie. So you export and see how fast it is. That's why it's good to pay for everything. I pay for virtually everything I use. So try as much as possible. Even though it's just try, it's better to just pay for things. We are done with this video. So
Amaka,
let's play it.
I need to talk to you about something.
What is it, dear?
Ever since your pregnancy became serious, it feels like I do everything in this house alone. I cook, clean, wash dishes, and even do the shopping. Sometimes I come back from that.
So you can see that with this, you'll be able to create your faceless YouTube videos, your faceless AI YouTube videos. You have seen the video and you have seen how I have done it step by step. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Subscribe to see more of this kind of videos. And I'm going to be dropping a lot of AI teaching videos like this, even on this channel. Follow for more. You can comment, like, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.